You didn't hear what I said, did you? Oh. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
If you're happy and
We
you
know
know
it.
it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water.
Oh, there's another one that used to sing.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again.
Yeah. You want to talk a little bit? Huh?
I love you.
Oh, isn't that sweet? She loves you, Alexa. She loves you. Yeah.
Come and play with me. We'll be as happy as can be. And when the day is almost through, we'll tell each other I love you. I like to skip and jump and hop. I like to move and run. I like to clap my hands like this. I think it's all such fun.
Yeah.
Please and thank you, please and thank you. Say them twice. That's so nice.